Hello students, today we have to see galvanometer as a voltmeter, new point from the chapter current electricity. What is voltmeter? A voltmeter is an instrument used to measure potential difference between 2 points in an electrical circuit. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, व्होल्टमीटर म्हणजे काय? एखाद्या इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट मधील 2 पॉइंटच्या दरम्यानचे पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स मोजण्यासाठी ज्या इन्स्ट्रुमेंटचा वापर करतात त्याला व्होल्टमीटर असे म्हणतात. It is always connected in parallel with the component across which voltage drop is to be measured. This voltmeter is always connected in parallel with the component across which voltage drop is to be measured. तर हा जो व्होल्टमीटर आहे तो ज्या कंपोनंटच्या अक्रॉसचे पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स मोजायचे आहे त्याला नेहमी पॅरलल म्हणजे समांतर असा जोडलेला असतो. A galvanometer can be used for this purpose. We can use galvanometer for the measurement of potential difference. Now, can we use this galvanometer as it is as a voltmeter? galvanometerचा वापर आपल्याला जसाच्या तसा व्होल्टमीटर म्हणून करता येईल काय? आपण करू शकतो का? लेट्स सी. सपोज दिस इज ए रेजिस्टर. This is a resistor and we have to measure potential difference across this resistor. For this purpose, suppose we have connected this galvanometer parallel to the resistor. हा एक रेजिस्टर आहे आणि त्या रेजिस्टरच्या अक्रॉसचं पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स मोजायचं आहे. त्यासाठी आपण galvanometer पॅरलल मध्ये जोडला असे आपण समजूया. Suppose here when we connect this galvanometer and we use this galvanometer for the measurement of potential difference, then what we'll see? We have to see here. जेव्हा आपण galvanometerचा वापर पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स मोजण्यासाठी करणार आहोत तेव्हा त्याचा काय परिणाम होईल? Here suppose current I is passing through this resistor. When this current I enters at this point, then part of the current will pass through this galvanometer. जेव्हा आपण या रेजिस्टरच्या अक्रॉसचे पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स मोजणार आहोत तेव्हा सुरुवातीला यातून जाणारा करंट आपण I आहे असे समजूया. सपोज बिफोर कनेक्टिंग द galvanometer, current passing, this current I will pass through the resistor. But when we connect the galvanometer, then what will happen? Part of the current will pass through the galvanometer. And here, when we apply small potential difference, small current will pass through the galvanometer. And we know that galvanometer gives full deflection for the small current also. And as galvanometer gives full deflection for small currents caused by small potential difference, we cannot measure large potential difference or large voltage. And therefore, some modifications must be done. So, what are these modifications? We have to see. First modification, its voltage measuring capacity should be increased to a desired higher value. Here we must increase voltage measuring capacity of this galvanometer to a desired higher value. This first modification that must be done in galvanometer, which is used as a voltmeter, is its voltage measuring capacity must be increased to a desired higher value. तर काय होते ते, आपण स्मॉल पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स अप्लाय केल्यामुळे जो काही करंट निर्माण होणार आहे, जाणार आहे यातून, त्या करंटचा काही भाग गॅल्व्हनोमीटर मधून जातो आणि त्या करंटमुळे गॅल्व्हनोमीटरची कॉइल फुल डिफ्लेक्ट होते. मग स्मॉल पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स मुळे जर गॅल्व्हनोमीटरची कॉइल फुल डिफ्लेक्ट होत असेल तर आपल्याला लार्ज पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्सेस म्हणजे लार्ज व्होल्टेजेस मोजता येणार नाहीत. म्हणून याची व्होल्टेज मेजरिंग कॅपॅसिटी आपल्याला डिझायर्ड हायर व्हॅल्यूला, म्हणजे आपल्याला हव्या असलेल्या हायर व्हॅल्यूला वाढवावी लागेल. तर हे फर्स्ट मॉडिफिकेशन आपल्याला करावे लागेल. देन सेकंड मॉडिफिकेशन, बिफोर connecting this galvanometer, current passing through the resistor was I, suppose, and when we connect this galvanometer, then what happens? A small current will pass through this galvanometer, due to which current passing through this resistor will be reduced, and therefore potential difference across the resistor will also be reduced, and this reduced potential difference will be measured by the galvanometer, and therefore some modification must be done to reduce the current coming towards this galvanometer, and this can be done by increasing effective resistance of the galvanometer. If we increase effective resistance of this galvanometer, then current passing through this galvanometer will be decreased, and most of the current will pass through the resistor, and therefore potential difference to be measured will not be altered much. Therefore, second modification that must be done is its effective resistance must be increased. तर इथे जेव्हा आपण गॅल्व्हनोमीटर ह्या रेजिस्टरच्या पॅरलल मध्ये जोडतो तेव्हा येणाऱ्या करंट पैकी काही करंट ह्या गॅल्व्हनोमीटर मध्ये गेल्यामुळे रेजिस्टर मधून जाणारा करंट कमी होतो. त्यामुळे रेजिस्टरच्या अक्रॉसचे पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स थोडे कमी होते आणि हे कमी झालेलेच पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स गॅल्व्हनोमीटर मोजतो. मग गॅल्व्हनोमीटरने अचूक पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स मोजण्यासाठी, जास्तीत जास्त अचूक पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स मोजण्यासाठी काय करावे लागेल, तर ह्या गॅल्व्हनोमीटरकडे येणारा करंट हा कमी करावा लागेल आणि गॅल्व्हनोमीटरकडे येणारा करंट कमी करण्यासाठी ह्या गॅल्व्हनोमीटरचा रेजिस्टन्स वाढवावा लागेल. तर हे दुसरे मॉडिफिकेशन, इफेक्टिव्ह रेजिस्टन्स आहे तो गॅल्व्हनोमीटरचा वाढवला पाहिजे. आणि तिसरी गोष्ट, थर्ड, हियर this galvanometer gives full deflection when we apply the small potential difference. Therefore, if we apply the higher potential differences, this galvanometer cannot measure the higher potential differences, because higher potential differences will cause larger currents and which cannot be measured by the galvanometer, and therefore larger currents, and due to this larger currents, small potential difference will give the full deflection of this galvanometer, and if we apply the large potential difference, then what will happen? Large current will pass through the galvanometer, and due to this large current, coil of the galvanometer may damage. Therefore, modification must be done to protect this coil of the galvanometer from possible damages. Here, it must be protected from the possible damages due to excessive passage of the current through it. So this is the third modification which must be done. What is third modification? It must be protected from the possible damages which are likely due to excess applied potential difference. So these three modifications must be done, and here we can overcome all the three difficulties by simply connecting a high resistance in series with this galvanometer. If we connect the very high resistance X in series with this galvanometer, then all the difficulties can be removed. Which difficulties? That is, it will measure larger potential differences also. First one. Second one, it will measure accurate potential difference, maximum, mostly accurate potential difference. And third, as most of the current will pass through the resistor and small current will pass through the galvanometer, its coil will be protected. When we connect very high resistance, what will happen? Very small current will pass through the galvanometer, and therefore all the difficulties can be overcome as like this. In this way, we can convert a moving coil galvanometer into voltmeter by connecting such a high resistance in series with the galvanometer. तर अशा प्रकारे galvanometerचे रूपांतर व्होल्टमीटर मध्ये करायचे असेल तर आपल्याला त्या galvanometerच्या सिरीज मध्ये हाय रेजिस्टन्स जोडून galvanometerचे रूपांतर आपल्याला व्होल्टमीटर मध्ये करता येईल. तर galvanometer चे रूपांतर व्होल्टमीटर मध्ये करण्यासाठी आपण जो हाय रेजिस्टन्स जोडणार आहोत तर तो हाय रेजिस्टन्स आपल्याला कसा डिटरमाइन करता येईल. लेट्स सी हाउ टू डिटरमाइन the high resistance that must be connected in series with the galvanometer. Here, suppose this V is the potential difference across the resistor which is to be measured. या रेजिस्टरच्या अक्रॉस चे पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स V आहे की जे आपल्याला मोजायचे आहे. R is the resistance of resistor. हा कंपोनेंट आहे रेजिस्टर, त्याचा रेजिस्टन्स R. Ig full scale deflection current of this galvanometer. Ig हा full scale deflection current आहे galvanometerचा. It means that when this current Ig flows through the galvanometer, coil of the galvanometer will show full deflection. It is called as the full scale deflection current, FSD current. So this Ig is the FSD current. X, it is the resistance, high resistance that must be connected in series with galvanometer. X म्हणजे galvanometerच्या series मध्ये जोडावा लागणारा हाय रेजिस्टन्स की ज्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला V एवढे पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स मोजता येईल. And G is the resistance of galvanometer. G हा या galvanometerचा resistance आहे. Now we have to determine this value of resistance X. So potential difference to be measured is phi. आपल्याला जे potential difference मोजायचे आहे ते phi इतके आहे. This potential difference phi is equal to potential difference across this high resistance X. It is suppose Vx. It is Vx plus potential difference across this potential difference across galvanometer. It is suppose Vg. Vx plus Vg. Vx plus Vg. Now potential difference across this X, that is the Vx. Vx is equal to potential difference is the product of current and resistance. Potential difference आपण कसे करतो, करंट गुणिले रेजिस्टन्स. मग ह्या x च्या अक्रॉसचा पोटॅन्शियल डिफरन्स, हा टोटल पोटॅन्शियल डिफरन्स V म्हणजेच काय असणार, x च्या अक्रॉसचे पोटॅन्शियल डिफरन्स अधिक गॅलॉनोमीटरच्या अक्रॉसचे पोटॅन्शियल डिफरन्स. Current passing through X and G is the same. This current Ig is passing through both X and G. दोघांच्यातून जाणारा करंट हा सारखाच आहे. Now here potential difference across this X is Ig into X. Ig is the current. Ig is the current and X is the resistance. Now potential difference across the Ig into G. Ig is the current, G is the resistance. Now, from these two terms, let's take Ig common. Therefore, we can write this V is equal to Ig into bracket X plus G. What we will get? V is equal to Ig into X plus G. Let's take this Ig on this side. Therefore, what we will get? This V upon Ig is equal to X plus G. V upon Ig is equal to X upon G. And therefore, from this relation, we can find out X, value of X. X will be equal to V divided by Ig. V divided by Ig minus G. V divided by Ig minus G. So this is the formula for this series high resistance that must be connected to convert the moving coil galvanometer into voltmeter to measure potential difference up to 5 volts. तर हा X म्हणजेच काय आहे, ह्या गॅलॉनोमीटरचे रूपांतर व्होल्टमीटर मध्ये करण्यासाठी जोडावा लागणारा हाय रेजिस्टन्स, की ज्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला V इतके पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स मोजता येईल. सो इन दिस वे we can convert moving coil galvanometer into ammeter by connect moving coil galvanometer into voltmeter. In this way, we can convert moving coil galvanometer into voltmeter by connecting very high resistance in series with the galvanometer. So this is the galvanometer, this G and X. This is the voltmeter. This galvanometer and this X, it is the voltmeter. Now suppose that the potential difference V, which is to be measured, is N times, NV times the potential difference across the galvanometer. समजा आपल्याला मोजायचे पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स V हे गॅलॉनोमीटरच्या अक्रॉस असलेल्या पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्सच्या NV टाइप आहे, NV टाइम्स आहे, NV फोल्ट म्हणूया. तर मग X ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला कशी काढता येईल? हियर फ्रॉम दिस रिलेशन वी कॅन राइट NV इज इक्वल टू V अपॉन VG. दिस रिलेशन NV बरोबर V भागिले VG लिहिता येईल आपल्याला. VG मल्टिप्लाइड आहे, तिकडे डिवाइड होतील. बट VG इज इक्वल टू Ig इंटू G. Therefore, NV is equal to V divided by Ig into G. This is the factor by which the voltage range is increased. Then putting V is equal to NV into Ig into G in equation 1. That is this equation. What we will get? ही V ची जी किंमत आहे, हिची किंमत कोणती, NV इंटू Ig इंटू G. ती किंमत आपण ह्या इक्वेशन मध्ये ठेवली. फक्त व्ही ची किंमत आपण इथे ठेवणार आहोत. काय किंमत ठेवली? NV Ig into G. NV into Ig into G. What will happen? This Ig will cancel with Ig. And therefore, what we will get? X is equal to NV into G minus C. If we take G common from these two terms, what we will get? We will get X is equal to G into NV minus 1. So, in this way, we can convert a moving coil galvanometer into voltmeter by connecting a high resistance X in series with the galvanometer. And we can determine this X by this formula. X is equal to phi upon Ig minus G. Thank you.